Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Welcome to episode 6 of my Halloween series. I cannot believe it's day 6 already, you guys. I'm super excited and I am happy and very content with the way it's been turning out. On today's episode, we are going to be creating these spooky cupcakes that I posted on my Instagram last week. They are so cute and I think a perfect embellishment to share with some pen pals or add on to your projects. So this is what we're creating. So before I get into the actual project, let me show you guys what you're gonna need. So the die that I used on these cute little cupcakes is by Elizabeth Craft Designs, and it's this cupcake die. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can check it out if you want to create these spooky cupcakes. And these are the pieces that you get. The only ones that I use are the ones on this side right here. I did use the bow on some of them, but I have some cute little bows that I prefer, which are these little fabric bows right here. We're going to be using those today. So, of course, you need your die. You need some cardstock paper. I'm using the Spooky Boo 6x6 paper pad. And I'm also using some word stickers from Tim Holtz. These are the occasions one. So you get like all the holidays. I don't have any more of the white ones, so I'm using up my black ones. I've already cut up my pieces here that I'm going to be using and creating with you guys. You can use some googly eyes. I did make these two right here, and I wanted to show you guys how cute it looks with the googly eyes. So you can definitely add that to your project. It's a cute little touch. I have some spiders over here because I like to add spiders to the cupcakes. You're going to need some ink to ink up your little ghosties. Here are my little ghosts all inked up. Looking super creepy and spooky. To make the ghosts, I use this die right here. This is from AliExpress. I'll also have that link down below. You can bring out your little Halloween enamel dots. I like to put those right in the middle of the bow if you're going to use the bow from the die. So I might not use these now because I think I'm going to use the little fabric bows. And I'm going to take those out right now if I can find them. Give me 1 second because I didn't cut out enough bows, you guys. Let me see. Okay, I'm back. Well, I never really left. I was just right here. These are the bows that we're going to be using. Oops. Right here. And I got this pack on AliExpress for like $3, and there's like 500 bows in here. So we're going to use those for the cupcakes. And I'm going to pick out the little black one. And a little white one. So those are the bows that we're going to be using. And now we can get on with the project. So let me pull up my chair. And let's make some spooky cupcakes, you guys. So, of course, you're going to need your choice of adhesive. I'm using the hot glue gun. You guys know that that's always my choice of glue. So, what you want to do is take your pieces. These are the pieces that I'm choosing. I like to do solid bottoms and kind of like busy tops. These are the little like ribbon-like that goes around the cupcake. You get two kinds. You get like a little scallop version and then more of like a straight edge. So let me see that I'm in frame. Yes, I am. What we're going to do is start building our cupcakes. You want to grab your bottom piece. Just add some hot glue to like the little scalloped area. Or your choice of adhesive. And then you grab your top and just place it right in the back. If you're using hot glue, you will notice that it sets very fast, which is why I like to use hot glue. Plus it also gives it a little bit of a dimension, and I kind of like that. So we're gonna add the other glue to the other cupcake. You guys, these are so easy to make, and you can use any cupcake die. It doesn't have to be the one that I have. You can use any cupcake die. There's so many out there. So, oops, got stuck to my finger. So my cupcakes are practically built. So what I want to do next is I want to figure out which one I want to use as far as like a little ribbon. So I'm going to do the straight edge one on the black. You got to be real careful when you apply these because they're so little and skinny you can burn your fingers. So be very careful when you're attaching these to your cupcake. Okay. Whenever I have any like excess glue sticking out, I like to use my tweezers to kind of like take it out, and it doesn't like interrupt the project or ruin it. Okay. And for some reason these are like a little longer, so I cut that off. If it's sticking out on an edge, I just cut it off. Okay, and then we're gonna add the little swirly one, the little scalloped one. We're gonna add that to the other one. Okay. Oh, did I do this the right way? I think I did it. Before it dries. Right here. Oh, I think it dried. I went to put it on the wrong way. Okay, let me just take it off and reapply the glue. I put it on the wrong way, you guys. Okay, so there you go. Add that to your cupcake, and it just gives you like a little extra detail on your cupcake. Hopefully you guys can see that. And we're almost done, you guys. So you want to take your bow and you want to add whichever one you want to add. I'm going to put the white one on this one. And some of these bows are like a little crooked, so I just kind of like fixed them up. They look a little wonky. And if you have to cut a little bit, if it's too long, you just cut a little bit. And we're gonna place that one right there. So let me add some hot glue to the bow. And we're gonna place that right on top. And then we're gonna add hot glue to the black one. Some of the bows are more sturdier than others. I don't know if it's just because they use different fabrics, but like this black one is like more stiff than this white one. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use one of the little jemmies to put in the middle of that bow. Seems a little too plain for me. I'll leave the white one as is, but not, or should I put a little jemmy on the white one too? Maybe I should, right? Like a little black one. Let's add a black one to that one. Okay. So we'll add a little black one to this one. And take out the excess glue. And then we're gonna attach our little ghosties, and you can put them on any side you want. I'm gonna add mine right over here. And it's kind of like a little cupcake, not a little cupcake, a little ghosty sticking out of your cupcake, like I'm about to eat the sweets. Okay. And you don't have to put the big one. I like the big one just to make the embellishment a little bit bigger. You can put any ghost size, because in these I did use smaller ghosts. So options are endless. And then you want to add some cute little pom-poms. I need to grab my little embellishment holder here and grab some pom-poms, you guys. And grab a white one and a yellow one. And then where's my cupcakes? Not this one, right here. I'm just gonna add these cute little pom-poms to the top. I'm gonna add a little dot of glue there. And this one I'll use the yellow one. And like I said, you guys, in my previous video, it's all in the detail when it comes to these embellishments. It's just the little details. And you add your little pom-pom to the top. And then I kind of like to ink a little bit the cupcake, not too much. I kind of forgot to do that beforehand, but I do ink the cupcake. I just totally forgot. Okay, so our cupcakes are practically done, and what we're gonna do now is just add some word stickers. We're gonna be using the Tim Holtz, and let's see, I'm gonna do trick or treat. And we're gonna place trick or treat right here. It's just to spice up the embellishment, you guys. So, and then we'll do open if you dare. And our cupcakes are done, you guys. Let me take these out of here. Show you guys up close what they look like. Look at that. Isn't that super easy and super cute? So that's what these look like. And then these are the other ones with the little googly eyes. And these are the ones that I showed on my Instagram. So you can do spiders, you can do googly eyes. The options are endless. I chose to leave these alone because I didn't make any without no spiders. But you guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know, you guys, down below if you're going to create some cupcakes, if you have a cupcake die, which are your favorite embellishments by far. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye, guys.